So we give thanks for this, man.
Not you.
Yes, give thanks. Yeah, I got this one for the caveman to play, man. Straight from Ghana.
So most of these groceries came from Gail.
Okay.
Miss Gail.
I saw chicken foot now in there.
Oh. So his house is right here. See his house? Park right down here. Caveman! Caveman! Are you there? You go for water, man. My caveman water drop off my head.
The sound of that wind with the sound of the wind.
Yes, the breezy. The place is just breezy and nice. I love being a center of attention, you know. I don't love to be in the center.
Now you made me.
Give me my record, you.
Okay.
So guys, Daniel is here. Daniel follow me to visit Mr. Will.
Man himself. Caveman.
He said when we get this a white man here from.
Peace and love.
Peace and love. The legend himself. We give thanks for this, man.
Not you.
Yes, give thanks, Rasta.
Yes, I.
Okay.
Yeah.
A real one.
I'm going to look for water to wash up my vessel.
Oh, but you look strong, man.
Usually for drinking water.
Yes, you know what affect your drinking water. So you go to the river?
I know I'm the other river. I have to go back down here to come out.
Oh, but the walking help you keep fit then, man. Remember, me do promise you the groceries.
Yes.
We just get the chance to bring them.
Okay.
So this is Daniel.
Okay.
Daniel is visiting from overseas.
Okay.
So he took the opportunity to come and visit you with me.
Okay.
Just wanted to greet you, grandfather. We got, I give you a hand with some items the sister bring for you.
Okay, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for that.
Man.
Give thanks for the hospitality. Wow, what a place. You live in Zion, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, sure, man.
Wow.
All right, come on, man. You want help? You want Daniel to help you?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, stress out yourself with your little. Look how your head is still a shake.
Yeah,
Eh?
I go to my old man.
Oh yeah, go up in an age, I know, man.
One thing I got keep you got them to put them no fear me.
Yes. Shaking, man.
I'll come back for the box.
Yeah, come back for the box. We're going to put down the water.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you really are communicate with the cow again? Talk to him, let me see.
You might not have seen a white person before.
Oh! And it's a female cow, that one, you know?
Much too quick.
Yes.
She's moving. She's never been so close with a stranger, probably. You know?
Yes.
So it take me a while to ease to friendship.
Oh, you're cooking? What you cooking?
Who?
What you cooking today?
Some overnight food now too.
Oh, so how you store the food?
For me story,
Oh.
depends on the food that you cook.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll go for the bags.
Yeah. water, my vegetable.
You seen vegetable them?
Yeah, me see it.
They're
Me
nice.
see it, Ross. Me bring this for the
Okay.
Oh, you're giving my gift.
Yeah, just for the caveman.
Yeah.
Look at this. How beautiful is his little garden plot.
Yes.
So much time.
Okras. Those are okras, isn't it?
Wow. Real African. This for him, yeah? This for him?
Yes.
Okay.
I got another one for you in a minute. I'll bring it up. We'll bring another one later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to find something. I'm coming.
Wow. What a nice Caveman want to play drum, man.
Ah, yes. That would be good. Oh, Lord.
You want me to set him on your table or right here?
So, what happened to it? Oh, the board. Yeah, I saw it. Mm-hmm. So, most of these groceries came from Gail.
Okay.
Miss Gail Davis. And Mr. Delroy sent $30 for you.
Yeah.
All right, so Miss Gail
Okay.
send most of the groceries, and Mr. Delroy, they want you to buy some meat or so.
Yeah.
Because you see, because we can't bring the meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why you...
No, eating meat is too tough.
Oh, so, but me did buy some tin food in there too, you know. Yeah, but you still, if you want the meat or anything like that. And where the tissue them, tissue soap on them, something there in this bag. Yeah. So tissue, soap, everything. I buy in one, I think I buy 60 cents or so. So we... You do well want them? Yes. So it will help you to survive.
Okay.
But yeah, going well, man. So why you do you cook overnight?
Yeah?
Or why you heat up?
No, you see this here now? I saw chicken foot now in there.
Oh.
I scald them and put them down till the morning and cook them.
Oh.
You scald with salt, you know.
Yes.
You just lock it up now.
But are there something they send up your blood pressure then? Are them something they send up your blood pressure? Because if you do it, if you do a lot of scalding with the salt is not good for you.
Okay.
It's not good.
Okay.
So that's the challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I'm happy that I'm here.
Yeah.
I was to come down last week, but my phone is not penciling out with the recording at all.
Let's never go check your mother, you know.
Eh.
I try to cook food and something I'll give and some peas.
Okay. You start reap your peas now.
Yeah, man, they're almost done, you know. For me make me little market or fight, you know, big still, but.
Yes.
Here, the way I carry all the little change from my family from mountain, I don't see him.
Yeah.
And this amount I do, but I don't see him. Sometimes I don't come till all after a month.
If it's parties, every other month it comes.
Now my own no due this month.
Oh, so I would have next month, you go see her.
Yeah.
And I'm going to see her this month.
Yeah.
So if it comes last month,
Yeah.
it's not going to come this month, it's going to come the other month. Daniel, now I'm doing a day in the life of his life, but I have to squeeze you in because I really wanted to take down the stuff for you.
Okay.
And Miss Gail insists, you know, so that I bring something to you.
Okay.
You don't have any Bible. She was asking if you have any Bible.
No Bible.
So she gonna work it out that you get a Bible so you can read and such and stuff like that.
Yeah, man, give thanks, you know.
Yeah.
Give thanks to me. I tell you right, I know you're not rough, you know. I find him to put something down the plant, man.
Yeah.
Oh, they're rough, man and sister. I walk from beg, you know.
Yes,
No,
I just have
sister,
to.
no. You know, so I know somebody will help me with a little thing more time, but
Yeah.
no, so I walk from beg.
Mm-hmm.
So them people are very funny, you know.
Yes.
And when we do something, we want one little time, one little mishap, instead till you want one man do for you, I mean, and I just say, no, man, enough good me do, I never tell a man one day.
Yes. Because you're always giving.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Always giving.
Oh,
Mm-mm. Daniel soon come.
yeah.
Mm-mm. So what you been up to from morning?
And if somebody there, see me can clean up the place, so I want to come back to corn next month.
Mm-hmm.
I can really, thank God, help me to move up and down, I have to do something.
Yes.
I want to work for you, meditate, you say, you know.
Yes,
Straight
but
out,
you, last time I come, the land never clean up, so.
I since we can clean up.
You go through and chop it out.
I never book man, I want to clean up, you know, because what you think up now.
Mm-hmm.
We have all breeze and blood and everything.
Just I go grow back up.
Somebody just said so.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh, Lord. Whatever you get can last you for a month.
Yes.
Or maybe up to 2 months, depending on how you go about it. All me do, month and again, I see what I can do.
Okay.
But I put together what Miss Gail saying.
Yeah.
I just add a little honey, 'cause everything expensive.
Okay.
And then now you get
your
a little packet, everything expensive.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
I see they have a madman come over, you know, America, you know. Come like him want to mash up everything, you know.
Well, we don't know. That is their business, you know, in Jamaica.
What you hear me now?
Mm-hmm.
How do you go do with people out there?
Well,
Where you go put them?
what? Me don't know, but
they come terrorize it.
we don't know.
Yes, man.
But me not think them a send people from other nationals to here. It's only our people would be coming back.
But some of them never born.
Yes, like one of them man that the interview that came 2-3 days ago, they interview him. He said that he left Jamaica 33 years ago.
Okay.
So he has no idea what he's going to do now or anything like that. He knows nobody in Jamaica, so I don't know. You ready now?
Yeah, I got this one for the Caveman to play, man. Straight from Ghana for the Caveman.
You got?
Feel no way, man. Yeah.
You know drum man.
Yeah, he gonna do it now. It's been a while though, right? He must say it's been a while since he played. Anything you want, man.
I will take a whole day for me to sit down and learn.
Can I hit you an African one? Can I play you African rhythm?
No, sir.
Let's see, the one to go. From Africa for you, but I was thinking we could play that Nyabingi one, you know, that's like the one that's like the Native American one that goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You wanna play that one with me?
round of applause. Very hot Daniel featuring Mr. Williams, Caveman, and we want to thank him, big him up.
That's how me grow.
Man.
You have to find the feet of the elders.
Yes.
You have to find the feet of the elders back here, man.
Yeah.
These feet paid
But
the
it looks therapeutic, you know, because Caveman
Thanks,
just
man.
relax and thinking.
Oh, it's good for me,
So
man.
it's what you call it? It will help with your brain.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
I just got so relaxed.
Yes.
Just look out there. Look at where we're looking at up there. Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, man, up your house up on the hills the way I look from there.
Yeah, that's up Bet Salem, a compound. Up on the hill, yes. So if I just turn left
Colonel.
and go up on the hill.
You see? Good thanks for a compound. For
Mm-hmm.
the maroon them.
Yeah.
What a beautiful evening. Wow, that was real special. Good thanks, Russell.
Yeah, man, big thanks, man.
You got the rhythm, the old school rhythm,
Okay.
grandfather style.
Yeah.
Of course. I bring you this, brother, from the motherland. It's from some people I know in Africa, man. Some people in Ghana gave that to me, man, so I'll give it to you for your kingdom here.
So, yeah,
Yeah.
Give it a shake. If
Maybe I
you have
can
somebody-
shake it with the drum.
Yeah.
The cow enjoying it, yeah.
I can't figure this guy out.
The cow is enjoying it.
I can't do it. That's from my Virginia people.
Yeah.
That's from the dirty South, man. Where I'm from, the dirty South Virginia people know that.
South Virginia.
That's like that. That's like the maroon of Virginia, of US, you know. The Virginia Southern people, they know. They have their own type of patois, you know. A lot of my brothers and sisters, you know, they play that kind of. A few like the. You know, like variations. Sound like that, yeah. You know, leave it hanging. But all from Africa, you know. Different
Yes.
flexes of Africa, you know. Same as reggae, mento, whatever. Baracas. I think many things. A native, too, native vibe. Irish, whatever, you know.
Yes.
Give thanks for God's
How
children.
far Ghana left from Ethiopia?
Wow.
No, he's asking how far is Ghana from Ethiopia?
That's a great question. I would say 5. Okay, so it's 3,000 from coast to coast of America, of North America. I want to say Ghana's, because you're talking east to east to west. I would say it's 5,000 and a half miles, 50. It's probably almost twice as big as twice of the U.S.
Oh,
That's what
to
I
get
would
to
say.
there.
Tell us what you think. It's like,
yes.
Google it. I'm saying 5,000 miles from Ethiopia to Addis Ababa to Accra. And I don't know that there's a direct flight. You may have to fly through Europe, which is a shame. Africa could have its own.
Some of them you have to fly to Europe to get to some other African countries.
It's pretty far. Yeah, you could fly through Kigali or something, somewhere in the Central Africa. Unfortunately, that area is so big. That's where Congo and things is, where the last big gorillas and things. It's like to fly over there, I guess they just, for whatever reasons, it seems like they don't have like a transcontinental African airline.
Yes.
And again, I think the reason is you'd have to have huge airplanes. You can't just have like a small plane because you're traveling so far over big mountains.
Yes.
Africa's so vast. I know all these facts about it. It's like in the world there's over 6,000 languages spoken in the whole world, and in Africa alone there's like over 2,000. So more than a third of them are just in Africa.
Yes.
55 countries, I think, in the whole continent. And yeah, it's so rich, the snow-capped peaks of Ethiopia and all the way to the deepest depression, like underground levels of desert. The hottest spots in the world are also like east of there. They're in like Djibouti, like Eritrea, those regions. I guess they get really hot, the coast there. Anyways, it's something I don't think about a lot because nobody thinks about like the distance of Ghana and Ethiopia. I'm so glad you asked, I wonder.
You would travel to Africa, Caveman?
No, you reason why I'm asking a bit, when I time when I little youth I grew up in a stick, Ghana, Africa, and Ethiopia.
Oh.
Do you remember when the emperor came here?
Yeah, man, I'm a little young youth, man.
Tell the stories. Tell us clearer, brother, if you can.
That time, Rastaman, you hear me? I the freest day Rastaman ever get in their life. Because they catch up on boat, one truck, 300-400 man. See? I go upstairs, when they go up there, wait for man, couldn't see that, Wow. No, man, the place, too much people.
Ram.
Yeah, I heard. I heard.
See?
They wrote the whole thing, yeah.
Yeah, no, man, no see that. How much over TV, then see face. But no see it up there. See?
What was that about? That was probably like 70.
Man's work a life, man left from. Man left from all Africa, come now to go see him, we don't know him.
But you heard the story. But you had heard the stories of Marcus Garvey from when you were a child. Did they teach about it in schools then? Nanny the Maroons and Paul Bogle and Garvey. Were they teaching that to the youth in school, or were you still having to learn that from?
One night time when I youth, then you used to teach that cut out.
We still teach it, man.
But one of you.
I know they teach it now, but I'm saying when he was a youth.
One of you school.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't talk, so it's only one of you school I teach it.
Yeah, I teach it. Oh, yeah, man. We have to teach it because it's a part of the culture.
Yeah, it's beautiful that now they incorporate that. But,
yes.
The schism when I was a young man, they didn't teach about topics like the plantations that we grew up on as kids.
Yes.
They didn't. They what do you say? Like conveniently created a way to make it seem like it wasn't as there's no word for it really that comes from horrendous or something. Like brutal, or there's no word that comes to. It's like the worst thing ever. So how do you? Yeah, we drove through here. I'm not gonna. It's just very interesting how land moves over many generations. I guess that's what I'll say.
Yeah.
Mm.
But you know, I don't know what life was like when Caveman was growing up. What was life like?
What was
And
it?
then the time them on yeah, you may have seen all them the time I was shilling and pence, you know. Shilling. You have a pound, you have 10 shilling, 5 shilling, 6 months, and them time
Good school.
a whole heap a month want a 10 cent and can't get.
10 cent, I did enough money them the time.
Them way some money.
No, Lord.
A 6 months because you see one them call 10 cent, you know. And them call $10.
Mm-hmm.
That was a pound in my days. You know.
Caveman, I guess if Bob Marley and Peter Tosh were around, you'd be about their age, right? Or like a little younger?
Eh?
Did you ever see them around when you were young? Around Peter or Bob or Bunny or any of the old reggae rockers?
Any of the music men, like Bob Marley,
Bob Marley, Peter
those
Tosh,
people.
I told them you know.
Mm.
Yeah, man, run up and down on the tar, man.
Yeah, you're that age, bro.
Yeah, man, Trenstone, Jonestown, over them place.
Yeah, so he's asking if you've seen them
See?
at any point.
No, sir.
I said no.
It's a big island, small island.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cool though, man. It's a real honor to talk to a real elder, you know?
Okay.
Because these days it's not as accessible, maybe. Beautiful garden.
Yeah. One time ago, man, you couldn't do that, you know.
I know.
Yeah.
Going to jail, man.
Put you in a cage.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
You must know stories about that.
yeah, man. And so we can be supposed to have 4 on man. The younger youth, them not supposed to have 2. And the elder man have 4.
4.
Because we have it to drink. And so we boil tea and them things that we did. The younger man,
How about
then
that?
catch with more than 4 ounces of it for them.
How about that? Wow.
Yeah, man, catch with more than 4 ounces and say, I sell that. One time ago, man, if you catch with us a seed,
I
you're in
heard,
trouble.
that's what I heard. In U.S. too, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe still some places, Texas, some
Yeah.
counties. Pretty crazy that 100 miles away a man
Yeah.
can make $1 million a year
Yeah.
off the same thing that a man's getting put in a cage for.
So why America now want some they have few county legalize it and some now?
Traditions, maybe. I think maybe it comes down to and of course it comes down to money. And but the slower people have, I think, hesitancy because of the like social religious part. They look at it like, oh well, look what alcohol does to everyone. If you start,
Every different part in America around them one of here.
they see different than here.
Yeah, every
Very
I guess
different.
Florida would operate different from
Exactly,
New York.
New York or
New
Virginia
York
or
operate-
Colorado,
yeah.
California, every
They
single
have their
state
own
is
law.
So what that I say?
But
And
it's
sometimes
making-
I hear some news say some country legalize and some send man to prison same way.
Mm-hmm.
Some say I say
The only thing not contestable is that some people are making an incredible amount of money.
Yeah.
And in fact, maybe this is the medium. It's interesting if you to look deep. There are companies that are buying out places in Jamaica and growing herb on them and then sending the herb. They're foreign countries, I believe, and maybe they partner up with Jamaicans. Maybe they're good people doing good things, but they do get a lot of land here, make herb farms, and then ship it out of the country, I think.
If plant out you're not getting anything.
That's what I was gonna say. You can't not give the Jamaican. We have to invest in the things that invest in us.
Yeah.
I think we're children of Jamaica. So many of us. How could we dare keep taking when it's given so much and it needs so much, man? Like this, what a blessing. This brother's here in this space, taking care of all this. I'm glad to be here. Thank you for welcoming me, Tania. I feel
Yes.
so honored. We had a long day, didn't we?
Yes. I guess we're going to have to leave now because
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Daniel will be leaving tomorrow
Okay.
early in the morning, so I have to take him home. I
Okay.
just trying to get a day into his life.
Okay.
What's
Good
it's
day.
like being here
It was a good day.
in Jamaica. So yes.
Didn't happen.
But what was it like overall though, visiting Jamaica? Your overall summary.
I loved it. I want to move down here.
Yeah.
Because it's good for my health. You know, I'm old enough that I've experienced stress at my age, and I've worked really hard in this body, and I traveled a lot, and I study a lot. So I feel like I have a lot to offer and give to a community where I am, and I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to put in, you know, a space and live somewhere and give enough where I can be there and eat and share the things I learn, because I'm still in a learning journey now. You know, I
Yes.
give a lot. I'm a teacher, but I still have a lot to learn. I notice all the time, you know. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So I think Jamaica is very rich for me. I have a lot to learn. Every day I learn so much. If I can stop, if I can listen, you know.
Yes.
And so that's what I hope going forward from Jamaica. And I've been really fortunate meeting people like you,
Yes.
Caveman, being welcomed at places. So I mean, what a great way to end the day out
Yes.
here and see this last cow. Get blessed, because I do have to wake up very early and then fly in a metal bird in the sky.
Yeah, tomorrow morning now. Pure talking, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he Tania, man, white man up and down. White man friend.
We gotta do,
Yeah,
we
man,
gotta
I
do.
feel that tomorrow, man, when a man sing.
God has the best sense of humor, Rasta. We got what was I gonna say? Oh, next time I made this book when I went to Ethiopia, man, and the Queen of Sheba land, and I'm gonna bring it so that I can check it out, because then I think it will understand what I was trying to relate about when I was in Ghana and Ethiopia. It's like when you see the pictures, it's like, oh, it's so similar to
Oh,
here.
yeah. So you could show him the pictures, how
it looks
near
so
they
much like
are.
here,
Yeah,
man.
man,
I think that's why your spirit might be
so,
called to it, kind of.
Yes.
Like
This, man.
Jamaica.
It's this energy, man. It's godly people too. You know, African people, they were generally like really close to the earth and God, you know. I think, you know, generalization, but you know,
Yes.
even feeling comfortable walking
I
in
want
bare
them say
feet.
it's Brazil, them say next. Whole for Jamaican.
Brazil is in South America.
Whole for Jamaican.
Mm.
Hundreds of Jamaican, them say.
Me no know if none down there.
Yeah.
I like Brazil a lot. I've been there a few times, man.
You have ever met any Jamaicans down there?
No.
Yeah, that's Jamaican. Why Jamaican? Them the man.
Jamaicans are everywhere in the world.
Everywhere.
Oh, I know. If I look,
Everywhere.
Because I go to Rio de Janeiro. It's a huge city. So I'm sure if I started looking for, that's funny how the brain works. Sometimes if you're not looking for something, you're not.
You will
gonna
not
find
find
it.
it.
You're
But
gonna
it's
walk by
one thing, you know,
forever.
with Jamaican, and you know them go, them always have for them county.
Mm-hmm.
Them district, you know, one in the one place.
Yes.
You scatter. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's
Good
good, man.
thanks,
Yeah,
man.
good. Thanks for the shake,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah,
man.
yes, good. Thanks.
So, Tania,
Mm-hmm.
long life, yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him home so that he can pack his stuff and so on. So all the best, and I'll see you soon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Take care. Bye. All right.
Yeah.
The cow say you're leaving. The cow enjoy the entire session, drumming session. Bye, cow.
Like seeing the,
Take care.
oh, nice. You see? I
Yes.
think Cal liked to see his human friend happy and playing.
And he's coming in.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Oh,
Oh, you're tied up and can't come no further.
sorry, bud.
Hush. You have to loosen yourself.
Yeah.
All right.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of